Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm here today with a video from Fansells. So if you're new here, I hope you enjoy this and realize that I do diamond painting videos, crochet videos, book videos, and stick around and see more content. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. Here we go. What do we have from Fansells? I got a nice little pile here. So thank you, Fansells, for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. And let's get right to it. All right, so let's start with a painting. So all of their little paintings and kits come with a toolkit, so you can put the drills down. And I fell in love with this. I just thought this was so pretty. Let me zoom you in. We're like 7 miles away. Look how pretty that is. So I don't know what I call this. Quilt? It looks quilted to me, right? But we got the beautiful flowers over here, and then we have all these like little patterns. This is what it looks like quilt to me, little fabric patterns all the way around it. It just, I don't know, it caught my eye. It came in some other flower arrangements and other colors, but of course, you know me, I picked the purple one. But I love it. This looks like lace over here. It does have some drills on there. This one doesn't have any drills. This one just has 2 lines of drills. So it depends on, like this one down here, no drills on that one. It's just kind of cool. It was unique. It was different. There's only 7 different drills for it, but I thought I liked it. So I picked that one out. All of these items, of course, as always, will be linked below, so you can go find them if you also like them and would like to give them a go. So make that easy for you. All right, what do we have? We have a bunch of clear rhinestones and a bunch of purple, and then another shade of purple and green. I mean, it doesn't get any more basic than that. Then we have some green faceted and iridescent marquees, some gold, that's going to be for the centers of those big flowers, and then we have these pretty little purple ones right here. Those are really cute too. Those are going to make some leaves or, you know, some petals. They're going to be really cute. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. Okay, I'll put this back in here while I can. There. Number 1. Number 2. Look at him. Isn't he cool? I mean, all of this background, like down here, there's no drills where this is printed, and there's none over here or up along there. But there is a lot of drills, like the flowers, these flowers, and then, of course, the tiger himself gets drilled. So I love that one. It has 9, 10 different drills. It looks like at least 4 of them will be special drills. Look, all around this like collary necklace thing, flower petals, even this flower here, look. Those are going to be small little special drills, and then a special drill in the center. Love that, right? All right, let's look at the drills and see what we get. I got some other stuff coming up here, which is fun. I got a unique item. You know how I like to find unique items? Yes, I do. I liked him. He looks like he's in charge. All right, here we go. Number 1 is black. I mean, what would a tiger be without black, right? And we got a bunch of clear. He's got a lot of white as well. This is kind of like a tannish color, orange, yellowy orange, and green. Those are our rhinestones. Well, and the black. All right, here's our special drills. Pink for some of those flowers, right? The orange, that's going to be for those flowers up there. Then there's the pink. I think that's going to go right here on this flower and that flower. And then we have little orange round ones. That's going to be all down here on this like necklacey thing he's wearing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. Sorry, I'm taking an extra second to put these back in the bag just because I can. Okay. 2 paintings. What's next? Something in a box. Oh, look it. Look it. I bet it's going to be a gnome. But it's going to be one of those. I don't know which one. I don't remember. Let's get it out of here and let's find out. Let's see. Oh, different type of toolkit. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's wooden. There's his drills. So here's this guy right here. That one right there. Love it. Okay, so, oh, look at the base. I like the base. That's got a nice little base. It's got plastic on it, so it's probably not going to fit in here real well, but it will go in there. Yes, it will. Okay, I'm not going to force it. But how cute. How very cute. It's just one-sided, wooden. Love it. And we got a white boat with that one and a clear pen. Love that. Okay. All right. Let's look at drills. Oh, we got some pretty stuff here. Let's see. Let's see. As soon as I can find the opening. Half the battle, you guys. Finding the openings. Oh, this one says it's for ages 3 and above. Wow. Get your 3-year-old diamond painting. Okay. So, this is interesting. We have green rhinestones, gold rhinestones, and pink rhinestones. And then we have 3 regular drills. A white, a pink, and a gray. Okay. Interesting. Wow. What do you think? I'm certain I could have gotten the other 2 as well, but this is the one that I liked. I liked the pink and green. I do love me a pink Christmas kind of situation, right? See? Ages 3 and above. All right. There's that. All right. Let's show you this next. This is our unique item. You know, I'm always looking for something different to put drills on. There's the drill tray. This is heavy. It's actually heavier than I know why. Okay. And here's our drills. Okay, first of all, let me show it to you. It's a little tiger. Not a lot to drill on it, which makes it fun. It's a quick little project you can do in, less than an hour. Fun, cute. It's heavy because it actually has the paper inside. Oh, and it's leather. It's a notepad holder. I thought, okay, here's what I thought. I thought it was going to be a smaller box, for like Post-it note size paper, and you'd have to just put Post-it notes in it. But no, I'm pleasantly surprised. So this is a hard plastic. This is pleathery leather material, and the bottom is the leathery material with this hard plastic case. And it comes with the paper sheets. They're not Post-it notes. They're just little, oh, wow, I love that. I love that. That is so cool. I mean, I'm forever grabbing a little notepad somewhere and writing little notes. I love this. Now, these came in just, I don't even know how many different picture varieties. If there was something you liked, you could have found it, Butterflies, dragons, flowers, you name it. They probably had it. These are cool. I like these. Well, that's neat. I wondered why it was so heavy. Now we know. It's actually got paper inside it. Wow. Let's look at the drills. Like I said, we don't have a lot because this is just a quick, simple, Smashing the Specials is coming in August. That's coming faster than we think, We're almost to July. So Smashing the Specials is like a little over a month away, you guys. I mean, start collecting some stuff. This would be perfect, a quick little project. We got some clear, some black, some pink, blue, a darker blue, that's cobalt blue, a purple. Those are hearts. Itty bitty little purple hearts. I didn't notice there were hearts on here anywhere. Oh, there's one right there. Is that it? One heart? I think so. And we get a whole bunch of them. Oh, I'll be saving those. And then these pretty pink. Love it. Okay, love it. Love it, love it. Love it. Okay. All right. Yeah, check that one out. That's a neat little box. I love that. Okay. And last but not least, of course, we have something in a box. Got to get something in a box. I try to get an off-canvas project and then some paintings. It depends on what my budget is with the company, how much I can get. Fansells is quite generous, I will say. So thank you, Fansells. All right, here's our base. Take the film off. Here's the toolkit. Don't need that. Here's our drills, and here's our piece. Look at that. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. I love it. Cowboy boots, cowboy hat, and flowers. I mean, what's better than that? Seriously. We got special drills in the hat band. We got special drills in the flowers, flower centers. There's some special ones there. Cute. Super cute. Okay, it's just plain on the back. Some are printed on the back, some are plain on the back, but there's a film, so take it off, both sides, I love it. I love that. All right, I'm really enjoying this little batch of items I got this time. Let me know what you think. I love to hear your thoughts, what your favorites were, what you enjoyed. Hey, and if you have any suggestions, about things you'd like to see, you can put that below too. All right, here we go. Pink, black, no, purple, deep, deep purple. That's deep purple. Another pink, a green, another purple, a purpley pink. Okay, here's the flower centers. Here's one of the flowers, gets these pretty pink teardrops. And the other flowers get these, oh, I love this. The iridescent faceted purples. I love those. So pretty. So the flowers are going to be purple and pink. Love it, love it, love it. All right, yeah, I mean, if you want to give suggestions about things you'd like to see, I just get things that I like, But you can always do that. Comment below what you liked, what other things you might like to see. There's the fun things, the, off canvas items. Then, of course, we have a tiger, and we have this guy right here. So pretty. So pretty. I'm going to move you up here a little bit so you can see everything. And love it. Love, 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 love it. Okay, I'm covering up the boots. These boots were made for walking. There it all is. There, we got it. Okay, ta-da. All right, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, come back, see more things. I don't even know how many videos on my channel, lots and lots. You could be there for weeks watching my videos. I mean, you could if you wanted to. You don't have to, but it would be fun, wouldn't it? Anyhow, yeah, check that out, and check out memberships. I'm getting ready to do a membership giveaway right now. I do one a month, and I give away stuff like this because, I get so much of it. I give it away in my membership giveaways, so that's always a good time. All right, I will talk to everybody soon. Have a great day, and happy diamond painting.